I think you would all agree that if you're going to trade options in Playboy, they better be naked. What do you think? Well, it's Friday, June 11, 2021, and we have your cherry bomb trade for today, and it's in Playboy, which has a liquidity rank, as you can see over there, of 3 drops out of 4, an IV rank of 21, and we're looking at selling a short put, just like yesterday's trade in blockchain, which, did that fill for you? I don't think mine did. Well, anyway, let's take a look at today's trade, shall we? Hi everybody, this is Option Theory and my name is Neil. Thanks so much for joining us. On screen you can see here what looks to be kind of reminiscent of a GameStop type trade. Is this a pump and dump? I don't know. I mean, with Playboy, that was probably a bad choice of words. But anyway, you can see here there was a big gap down and then a major red candle downward. Now, is that, we're here at previous support here. So are we going to stay here and or go up again? Or are we going to crash right through it? I have to wonder. Is there something going on in the land of Reddit that I don't know? Because, I don't hang out in Reddit land. Maybe you do. Love to hear if you know got any inside info on that one. But today's cherry bomb trade is going to have us looking at Playboy, of course. So we're going to go to the ad simulated trade and type in PLBY. And you're going to make sure that you're in the July monthly expiration with 35 days to expiration. And we're going to be selling the 30 put. So if I click on that, there it is. We got 1 contract. Yours may be defaulting to 10, so be careful there. And we're looking at collecting, it says 75, that's the bid. But the mid price is more of like an 83, 82 cent mid price. So that's how easy it is to build a naked put, right? So let's go ahead and click on risk profile. Let's set our date in the top right to July 17th. And if you're wondering where I got that date from, it comes from the turquoise date I see right here. Let me get my expected move on screen if I can find it. See, there it is. There's my expected move. And let's get the price slices set to break even at expiration. We're staring at an 81. Better than 81% probability of profit at expiration. So that's fantastic. That's what you get with it. But remember, what comes with a naked put is usually a small amount of income or profit for a larger amount of risk. And so let's take a look at that confirm and send screen to see exactly what I mean. Yeah, you could make $75. And that's exciting. And you have an better than 81% probability of collecting some of that. And let me tell you what the P50 is for this. It's a 92% P50, 92% chance that you're going to walk away with $37.50 or better, depending on if you get filled at the mid price, right, on this trade. But you have to risk $3,000 should Playboy go to zero, go out of business. And I don't think any of us are worried about it going out of business. But we might want to be worried about it going back to the levels that it was at for a long time before that, right? Long time for what it was showing before that. So that would be a $20 difference from our short strike, which, $2,000. Is that something you're feeling like risking? Or would you want to turn this into a short put vertical? So maybe you'd be willing to risk a whole $1,000. I wouldn't even do that. Let's say that we, how about $500? That may not be the most exciting. Wow, that is a wide bid ask right there. Let's try, let's do this one here. Let's click that guy. Oops, silly me. And then we're going to buy that one. There we go. So here's one where you could make 70 cents according to, their calculations. And have, instead of an 81% probability of profit, take a look at that. Let's set that to break even at expiration. Yeah. So not much of a difference in probability, but much better ability to sleep at night knowing you're only risking $931. Wonder what your thoughts are. One thing to consider, it's easier to manage a naked option. So I'm going to go, like I said, if you're going to trade Playboy, you got to be naked, right? So let's go ahead, click that, right click, going to choose confirm and send. And we already saw this, so we're going to go ahead and hit send and put that in our working orders. Here we go, everybody. First time ever trading Playboy. What about you? Have you done this before? All right. If you made it this far into my video, I offer you a thumbs up. If you feel like I have earned it, would you offer me a thumbs up? Thank you so much. I appreciate all your views and all your likes. And, if you want to join us, this is supposed to be an active channel where you follow along with us. You don't have to do the exact same trades we do, but if you'd like to get the same emails that we get, head on to the description and sign up by clicking the link with Tasty Trade. They have email lists, and the ones we use are the Cherry Bomb emails that come to us 5 days a week with trades 4 days a week. We'd love to have you come back when you're done signing up and click that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can get all of the learning without all of the risk, or with none of the risk, really. Okay, thanks so much. I look forward to seeing you next week, everybody. Hope you had a great week and hope you have an even better weekend. Until then, may the market be with you.